This is the puppies in their new, bigger play area. And this is their old potty area. They've been out for a while, so they might be getting tired. Mr. Monkey is new and Mr. Ball is new. We'll put food in Mr. Ball later. That's orange there in the middle. That is pink over there. That's pink. Mr. Red, I think, is in the tunnel. Mr. Red loves the tunnel. Oh, that's blue in the tunnel. That's Mr. Red. Mr. Red is being attacked by purple, I think. No, pink. Mr. Blue is finally going to the bathroom on the paper. Yay for Mr. Blue. Looks like Orange has a ball. Aren't you clever? What have you got? Get it. Get that ball. Get that ball. Yay for you. Look out for the water. You're about to sit in the water. Where did everybody go? They were just here. Everybody is exploring the new mat. And finally, Mr. Orange says he thinks he'll come out here too. And that's a wrap for today.